Hello students, this is class 3rd science. Stay at home, stay safe. I hope you all complete your science chapter 1 in your science notebook. Today we will start chapter 2, parts of plants. Plants, like other living organisms, have different parts. Organism means living things, creatures, animals have different parts. Different parts of plants perform different function. Function means work or an activity or purpose. Various parts of plants work together for the growth of a plant. Various means different parts of plant work together for the growth. Growth means development of a plant. Parts of the plant, just like human body, plants also have different parts. Just like human body, plants also have different parts. With the help of its different parts of a plant functions like a machine or a engine. Let us know about various parts of a plant. A plant is mainly divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. A plant is mainly divided into two parts. Root and shoot. Root and shoot. Look at the picture carefully. The part that grows below the soil. Below means नीचे, underground, the soil is called root. What is called? Root. And the part that grow above means ऊपर. The part that grow above the soil is called shoot. A plant is made up of basic parts, thus a shoot and the root system. On the shoot system, the stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, buds can be seen. On the shoot system, the taproot and lateral roots can be seen. Parts of flowering for plants. Come on to the next page. The part that grow below the soil is called root. What is root? The part that grow below the soil. Below the soil is called root. And the part that grow above the soil is called shoot. What is shoot? The part that grow above the soil is called shoot. Shoot be a stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Next, root. Root is a part of a plant that usually hidden underground. They hold the plant in the ground and keep it upright. They take water and food from the soil. Now start reading with me. Root is the underground part of a plant. Root fixes the plant in the soil. It also absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Some roots such as carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip are modified. Modified means make partial and minor changes to store food within them. Next, roots are mainly of two types. Roots are mainly of two types. Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. Look at the picture of taproot. A taproot has long thick root that points straight down. Smaller smaller roots can grow out of its sides. Next, number 2, fibrous root. Look at the picture of fibrous root carefully. Fibrous roots are made up of many small roots. Fibrous roots are made up of many small roots, all about the same size. The small roots grow out in many direction, different direction they grow out, and from the base of the stem. From the base of the stem. Taproot. The main root grows straight down the earth. Thinner root branch from the main root. Other branching roots and root hair grows sidewise. Plants like bean, pea and mustard have taproot. There are some picture of some example of taproot. Pea, mustard, bean. These are the some example of taproot. Next, fibrous root. It is a bushy and appearance. It is bushy in appearance. Appearance means the way that someone or something looks. The way that someone or something looks. Large number of roots grow from the end of the stem. Plants like onion, beet, rice and grass have fibrous root. Onion, rice, wheat, these are the example of fibrous root. Now turn your page. Function of root. Functions of root. Root help the plant to stand in the soil. Root help the plant to stand in the soil and provide water and minerals from the soil. We eat some of these roots are as food, like turnip, carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato, some edible roots. We eat some of these roots as a food. Thank you.